Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be sharing with you my tips and ideas on how to stay motivated in 2018. At the beginning of each year, I like to sit down and have a moment of reflection. And this time, I just thank God for the previous year and all of the blessings that He bestowed upon me in that year, and all of the wonderful things that happened. And I also have that's in that same session, that same brainstorming session with myself. I am brutally honest with myself about the things that I could have done differently and the things that I could have done better. And then I remind myself that with the beginning of each year, a new door is open. And with that new door opening, I have an opportunity to begin again. And so my first tip is around being motivated to move and lose the weight. Purchase new workout clothes. Another thing that keeps me motivated is a super cute workout gear. So I'm going to share with you guys what I am wearing right now. I got it from JCPenney on clearance. And so here it is. I love the thumb portion. I'm getting used to this camera, so I'm like looking at myself here when I really should be looking at myself here. I gotta remember that. Anyway, so I love the fact that it has the thumb cut out and it goes over your hands. It really does keep your hands warm, especially in this super cold weather. I love, 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 love that. I love the fact that you can also pair it with like jeans. Like if I'm going to work out, I normally wear shorts. And so with this weather, you know, I like to wear something over it. So you can wear like sweatpants or jeans over your shorts or your leggings or whatever you're wearing to work out. I like to dress in layers because normally when I leave the gym, I'm wet and I don't like to be super wet, you know, because you can risk getting sick, and I have already had the flu this year. Don't want it again. Been there, done that. So super cute workout gear will definitely keep you motivated. So when you go out to shop, if one of your goals this year is to lose weight, like go out and look for things that are super cute that will keep you motivated when working out. I love this because it was very stylish and different, being that it came off the shoulder. And then I love the little thumb detail there. I love the fact that I could pair it with jeans. It's very comfortable and it's not really super form-fitting because I'm really not confident with the weight that I have gained due to some medications that I've taken. And so I need to lose about 20 pounds. I'm no longer taking those medications, so I can definitely work on my body and get it back to where I feel most confident. Is one of your goals for 2018. Make sure that you find clothing that you feel motivated in and confident in when you are working out at the gym. Another tip for staying motivated to exercise in the new year is to change up your scenery. This park is absolutely beautiful and it's very close to our subdivision, and so I often enjoy working out here, especially on the days that I have cardio. It is so much better than being on an elliptical or a treadmill because it's stationary, and working out here keeps my mind in such a beautiful place, and I don't get bored and I'm not consumed, you know, with the amount of time that I've been working out because it's so much beauty surrounding me. I also know that when I work out at this particular park, if I walk around the exterior of the park at least 4 times, that I've done 5 miles. And so I'm more concerned with the number of laps that I've made than with the amount of time that I've actually been on the treadmill or the elliptical when I'm working out at the gym. So changing up my scenery definitely works for me. It is no secret that in our household, I'm the saver and my husband is the cleaner. When it comes to cleaning, I have to be motivated to clean. And nothing keeps me motivated like this basil scent surface cleaner by Mrs. Meyer. It smells absolutely amazing. After I cook, I love washing down our countertops with this because it smells so good, and this sponge does such an amazing job at removing the tough stains and any leaks or spills that I may have had in the process of cooking. I love, 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 love cooking, but I absolutely hate the smell of the food in our home lingering once the dinner has been made. And so this basil scented surface cleaner does just a trick for me. And I also like to clean the sink because I like to remove any food residue. I use the Method dish soap for this, and it's also provided by the Grove Collaborative. I'll leave a link down below for you guys who are interested. And I also have another special offer that I will tell you about in just a second. Now, another thing that keeps me motivated to clean is actually dancing. Yes, dancing. When I was a little girl, on Saturday mornings, my mom designated Saturday mornings for the time to clean, and so she would wake up and put on the radio and have it blasting with her favorite old school and blues songs, and we would clean and dance and perform and use the mop as the microphone, and we would have a wonderful time. And it was just, it's so motivating for me, and it was such a fun time, and it made cleaning a very fun process. So yes, dancing keeps me motivated to clean. And although it looked like a ton of fun, it really, really was. I want to show you guys the result. Yes, real dirt, real life, real cleaning. So in order for me to stay motivated and on task when it comes to cleaning, I recently teamed up with the Grove Collaborative, and I absolutely love the fact that they are a scheduled delivery service, so I don't have to think about it. They provide eco-friendly and non-toxic products that are safe for your family and for your household, and this is so important to me as a food scientist. I absolutely love the fact that their products are very natural and they're very safe. And right now they have this amazing offer. If you are a new customer, with your first offer, you will receive the Mrs. Meyer hand soap, the hand lotion, the dish soap, and this amazing cleaning caddy. And for those of you who are existing customers, you already know how amazing this walnut scrubber sponge is, and you will definitely receive it. The links are down below. So in order to take advantage of these offers, be sure to look down in the description box and be motivated and dedicated to keep your house clean and safe this year. They have amazing products like Dr. Bronner's, Method, Seventh Generation, a lot of the brands that Target carries, but it cuts out your time of having to run back and forth to the store. So be motivated to clean this year and check out Mrs. Meyer's and the Grove Collaborative offer down in the description box below. And my final tip is to be motivated to work the plan. Now, once you have set your goals for 2018, you have prayed about your goals, and you feel in your heart and in your spirit that these are the things that God has for you in this particular year, you've reassessed them to ensure that they are true to you. Once you've done all those things, you want to take the opportunity to sit down and to break your goals down into mini goals. Now, this makes your goals, obtaining your goals, a little bit more manageable, and it allows you to quickly build the momentum that you need as you check these little bitty tasks off your list. And that really, really helps me a lot. You want to make sure you surround yourself with positivity. For me, this is my haven in our home. It's my office space. You guys know, ever since I came on YouTube, I have proclaimed my love for black and white stripes with a pop of color. And so my office in our home exemplifies just that. You guys see the black and white stripes, you see the pop of color in my decor, in my organizational tools, in my journals, on my wall color. It really keeps me motivated. When I come into this space, I'm centered, I'm ready to achieve the tasks that I have in mind, and it just really keeps me inspired. It's so positive. The atmosphere and the vibes is just so, the entire spirit in our home is just a positive spirit. And so when I sit down at this desk to work, I am already in a motivated mindset, because everything around me, you know, depicts the things that I love, you know, the colors that I love, the organizational tools, you know, exemplify my personality. So I really get motivated by making things pretty and making things aesthetically pleasing to me. Another thing that keeps me motivated is my husband. He is definitely God sent and a huge reason why I am the woman that I am today. He had so much faith in me, so much trust in me, and he has definitely pushed me and propelled me to go to the next level in every area of my life. He saw gifts in me before I even realized that they were there. He was able to see the mighty oak tree in the acorn, and seeing him smile definitely keeps me motivated, and that's what I want to do for the rest of my life. I want to make him smile. Another thing that keeps me motivated is having organizational tools that work and fit for my life. And when I found this Purposeful Planner by Corey Clark, I knew that this was the system for me. Now, you guys know that my husband and I recently opened up an intimate event center, and with us opening the intimate event center, I was forced to get a planner, and I was like, oh my goodness, I don't have time to decorate it with stickers and things like that. I just need it to be very, very functional for me, very, you know, beautiful and very useful for me. And so when I got this planner and paired it with this amazingly beautiful pen from At Home with Nikki, I got it in her subscription box. You guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to that, you need to check her out. I love this pen. When I write with this pen, I always jokingly say that it's my serious business pen, but when I pick it up, it so motivates me, it so inspires me, and it keeps me wanting to write those tasks down that I have to achieve each and every day to stay on top of everything that I have going on in my personal life, in my business life, on my job, in the ministry. There are so many things that I have going on, and this writing with this pen just keeps me motivated. Sometimes guys, it's just the simple things in life that keeps you motivated. Another thing that keeps me motivated to work the plan is this Gold Digger candle that I picked up from Bath & Body Works. I absolutely love it. You guys, the theme for my year was, you know, being a gold digger, and having this candle and this amazing lighter that was gifted to me by our girl Very Carey over at the channel Very Carey. Oh my goodness, when I lit it, it smells so amazing. I didn't do a Bath & Body Works candle haul because I felt like it was so unfair to the viewers. You know, when you're smelling it, like, oh my gosh, this smells so amazing. I can't smell it. I want to smell it. But you guys, trust me on this. This smells so amazing. The throw from this candle is absolutely phenomenal, and it just definitely keeps me motivated when I'm working in my space to have this beautiful aroma in this particular room and workspace as I'm working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my tips for keeping you motivated in 2018. Don't forget to check out the free offer from the Grove Collaborative. I will leave that link down in the description box below. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!